Sydney Harris, former national champion, getting out well. Morgan Campbell, big, strong, fast, right there, trying to make a move in the curve. Isis Grant on the inside, giving chase. Here we come, the 8-year-old national record holder and a new kid on the block, Morgan Campbell from E1. It's Jackrabbit and E1. Morgan Campbell, too long, too strong. She's gonna clip the national champion. It's gonna be Campbell Brown.